Molekule Air Mini and Air Mini Plus use Photo Electrochemical Oxidation, PECO, nanotechnology to destroy viruses, VOCs, allergens, bacteria mold. Replacement PECO-Filter for use with Molekule Air Mini and Air Mini Plus. Not compatible with Molekule Air. Key to destroying viruses, VOCs, allergens, bacteria mold at the molecular level. Recommended replacement for average use, every 6 months. Automatic filter refills available. See manufacturer's website. Top reviews from the United States. It cleans the air. We are very happy with our purchase. Yes, it's very pricey. But it works really well. Our son suffers from allergies, so we placed the Mini in his room. He feels so much better. We loved the Mini so much, that my husband purchased the large model to put in his office.